Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the limited edition Thank You Card Kit by Simon Says Stamp. Now this kit has everything you could ever need and more to make the most beautiful thank you cards all year long. And I'm going to walk you through the contents of the kit starting with this Thank You Flowers stamp set. So the first thing you notice is this beautiful thank you sentiment. It's bold, it's gorgeous, and then there's all these multi-step images, like floral images, so you could stamp the solid and then add the detail on top of it. You can layer them if you wish. You can create awesome backgrounds, bouquets, wreaths. Then there's some little smaller coordinating sentiments that can go with or by themselves. And I think that this stamp set is a classic. I don't think it's ever going to go out of style. Next up, we have the Kind Script die set. Now, this is one of those layering dies. So you get the word die that says kind, and then you get the outline. So these can be used together, layered up, or individually. I die cut one to show you. So I die cut the word kind in white, which you can use by itself. But if you want to layer it with the outline, it really makes it pop. Now, next up, we have the envelope addressing stencil, which I am so excited to try. I love to decorate my envelopes, and this would be a great addition. I'll show you when you lay the stencil over top. This is a soft navy envelope. Gives you that perfect rectangular area if you want to do a little ink blending, a little stamping. You could also add that stencil insert, fits right in there to give you the lines to write your address perfectly straight. But I got to tell you, as soon as I saw the stencil and I saw this little insert with the stripes, I was thinking you could use that on a card and ink blend some stripes. If you do them different directions, you could almost build up a plaid pattern. And then this rectangular area could be awesome on cards to ink blend just a rectangular background. And speaking of ink blending, this kit also includes 3 mini ink cubes in the colors melon, mint, and soft navy. Also included in the kit are 4 envelopes. You get a brilliant ultra heavy white, lemon chiffon, mint, and a soft navy envelope. Another thing that's unique to this card kit is you'll receive 4 beautiful postage stamps. These are the self-adhesive ones with that popular love design that everyone adores. And you know what I noticed is that the stamp set, the images in it are very similar to the postage stamps. So I'm going to use that as an inspiration and try to make a card that is kind of similar in color scheme and layout to the floral design on the postage stamp. Next up, we have an American Crafts medium point slick writer pen. I've had one of these pens for a while kicking around and I love it. It doesn't smear and it will be perfect for addressing those envelopes. Also included in the kit are these American Crafts gold heart stickers. Wouldn't these be perfect to put on the back of those envelopes? They're shimmery and gold. Speaking of stickers, we have some Pebbles Flowers Puffy Icon stickers from the Delightful collection. Also included in the kit is a pack of pattern paper, and these are by Pink Fresh Studio from their Simple and Sweet collection. You'll get 1 sheet of each design. I love Pink Fresh Studio's pattern papers. They're fresh and modern and clean. I love the happy colors. Get a little bit of everything, some stripe, some floral, some bright lemons. And last, but certainly not least, a few staples for your card making. You're going to get 3 A2 size pre-folded note cards. You're also going to get 5 sheets of solid color cardstock there. You can see in the back. Nina Desert Storm, soft navy, mint, lemon chiffon, and cotton candy. Now, I wanted to share with you a couple of projects that I've created using this awesome thank you card kit. I made a simple thank you card based off of that love postage stamp. And then for this card, I used the envelope addressing stencil to ink blend those stripes, as well as the Kind Script die for the sentiment. I do want to mention before I go that this is a limited edition card kit, only available while supplies last, but many of the contents can be purchased individually. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.